to expect. So, in the midst of all the wars going on, ẹ bọ́rọ̀ owó àwọn ti di ọmọ tí mo yún kára wọn nínú ìgbín. Wọ́n tún ti wá add another feather. Àwọn ni wọ́n lè sọ, àwọn ni wọ́n mọ̀ ní pàtó ẹni tó máa wọ̀jọ̀bọ ọ̀run. Ohun tó ń ṣe pọ̀ ṣọ́ra. Ìyá ronú, ọmọ ẹ̀ ń ro kàwé. Wọ́n ti ń súnmọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ náà. Wọ́n ti ń súnmọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ náà. So ó yẹ kó máa ronú ìjọba ọ̀run. Ó yẹ kó mọ ẹni tó máa lọ sọ́run rere àtẹni tí ó lọ jóná gúrúgúrú ní hellfire. So guys, it's an interesting one, a very very interesting headline for our interesting time. So let's see what Obasanjo, aka Eborowu, let's see what he's up to this time. Come along with me. Obasanjo reveals the only Christian leader that will make heaven. Religion. You see the thing where religion go do us Africans so. Wow. Former President Olusegun Obasanjo has opened up on who among the Christian leaders in Nigeria he thinks will go to heaven. He did not even see himself as great. After all, he himself is a Christian leader. I think he went to the university. He went back to school. And he did this. Is it not PhD now in religious studies or something? According to Obasanjo, the only Christian leader in Nigeria he is sure will make heaven is the late prelate emeritus of the Methodist Church of Nigeria, Dr. Sunday Mbasiro and So he's even talking about the dead. How is he sure? Ṣé ẹ débẹ̀ ni? Ṣé ẹ lọ sí ibojì wọn? Wọ́n wá fún yín ní feedback pé heaven làwọn wà àlìjánnà àwọn ti lọ létà rárá kàtìkàtì. Obasanjo made the statement at the following service of the late prelate in Oyo, Akwa Ibom State today. Obasanjo was the special guest of honor at the event. So, ibi ìsìnkú lẹ lọ. Bá àsìnkú. Ẹ lọ bí ìsìnkú ẹnìkan. Ẹ wá sọ pé ẹlòmíì ni ó lọ ọ̀jọ̀bọ̀. Òkú tẹ wá lọ sí níbo lòun wá lọ hellfire. Ratarata. Obasanjo was the special guest of honor at the event. Obasanjo said that the late prelate was not only forthright, but he was not a man of emotions. He said that shortly after his release from prison and pressure was on him to become the president of Nigeria, one of the prominent Nigerians he consulted across the country was the late prelate emeritus Mba, and he gained enormously from his advice. Oh, okay, customer dadani. Customer dadani, okay. You know that. Obasanjo said the late prelate emeritus was a man he always sought his advice because of his forthrightness. Àwọn náà rí ara àwọn alátìlẹyìn yín nìyẹn. Àwọn olùbádámọ̀ràn yín nìyẹn. Okay. He added that when Governor Emmanuel Odom was at the helm of affairs in Akwa Ibom State, and he wanted to seek Mba's opinion on any burning issue, He would visit Akwa Ibom State under the pretense of wanting to see the governor, but the person he was going to see was the late Prelate Emeritus Mbang, who was once president of the Christian Association of Nigeria (CAN) and the first black president of the World Methodist Council, died in Oyo, Akwa Ibom State on Tuesday, May 16, 2023, at the age of 86. But èmi ò mọ̀ pé ẹ tó ti jó ẹ ti fi oyè àmọ́ ẹni tí ó lọ ọ̀run rí ẹ mọ̀ pé wọ́n tó ti jóyè yẹn. So ní gbogbo Nàìjíríà Emeritus Mbah nìkan ni ó lọ ọ̀run. This is so. Oh my God. Can you imagine? The country is burning. The country is on fire. And he's busy talking. And he's busy being the he's doing the revelation. Wọ́n lọ sínú ìwé ìfihàn revelation of the only Christian leader that will make heaven. Ẹjọ́ máa tanra yín. This is an interesting one. I can't wait to find out what people have to say. Somebody said, thank God that it is not Baba nor any Nigerian that will admit people into heaven. Mango, Wayo, and Mago, Wayo, and Ujuru for day. Well, that is it. Tó bá jẹ́ bọ̀rọ̀ òun. Pa Ọbásanjọ́ ẹ bọ̀rọ̀ òun. Tí wọ́n ti fẹ́ yọ tán. It's just melting like candle. It's shaking down like ẹja gbígbẹ. Tó bá jẹ́ pé àwọn náà màgòmágó máa wà o. Màgòmágó máa wà dáadáa. It's all the politicians, all the political career criminals that will pack themselves. They will, of course, the masses are already in hell now, and they are in heaven. Another person said, Obasanjo seems to know everything. Abio, I want Mr. Know It All. It should now transition into an oracle. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, oracle, ẹ lọ wò wá. Rami, ẹ bọ́rọ̀ òwú, ẹ lọ wò wá. Ta ló kàn? Ta ni 6 feet, permanent house, self-contained room, ta ló kàn? Ẹ lọ wò wá. Nígbà wọ́n bá dé self-contained 6 feet bedroom, ṣé ọ̀run rere ni àbọ̀run náà? Can you imagine? So we can be coming to consult him with schnapps and cola and not. Oshibades, God's secretary. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni! More than one announces his latest appointment as God's secretary in sorting out people's final placements. Lẹ́yìn tó bá ti ó káàbọ̀ ọmọ ọ̀dọ̀ rírí. Ó yá, hell ní placement títí o. Heaven ní final destination títí. Àmọ́ èmi ò mọ̀ kó wọ́n ti di secretary Ọlọ́run. Rádaràda. Now you know the person wey go make heaven, sir. You better dey go do good for now, cause heaven no sure for anyone. Abi o. Heaven no sure for someone says so he himself is not sure of himself. Of course, he's not sure of himself now. No. He's not sure of himself. You know this hush thing around death. So he doesn't want to say that he will make heaven because he doesn't want to die. To jẹ́ pé kulẹ̀ lẹ́jà ta. Sooner or later, Sooner or later, everybody go take a bow. They are already taking a bow in the rep and being in the Senate. Take a bow, take it. Sooner or later, whether he likes this or not, he's gonna take a bow. So he's not sure of himself that he's gonna make heaven. Now, wow, because you be God. It's God now. It's God's secretary. It's God's secretary. It's God's secretary. After all, when you go to a company, when you see the secretary, the secretary is the front for the company now. It's as good as you seeing the Oga at the top. The secretary is the access to see the Oga at the top. So, it's God's secretary now. Even God said, Baba don't start shift Jesus for him position. Say, na him be the decider and knower of whether person go heaven or him go hell. And somebody said, does he think that his influence reaches heaven? Joker. Of course. Eboro is so full of himself. He is so proud of where he's at, upon all the atrocities and whatever, he got away with it. And he's sitting on his high horse, pointing accusing fingers at the people that were, the ones that are there now. The pot is calling the kettle black. Can you imagine? His influence reach heaven. No be him be God's secretary now. Eboro for that matter. Wọ́n ti fẹ́ yọ tán, wọ́n kàn yọ ní bí àbẹ́là. Wọ́n wá kú kìkì eégún. It is only in Nigeria that you hear this kind of stupid and ignorant talk because they know the dim-witted, gullible populists will soak up the lies with thunderous cheers. Of course, religion is a scam. Which heaven? Èyìnbó tó ń sọ fẹ́yìn pé heaven is in the sky. Èyìnbó built his own heaven on earth. All your pastors, they will take from everybody, little drips makes the mighty ocean. The pastor that is talking about heaven, he's having his own heaven on earth. He's having bulletproof cars. He has bodyguards. Their wives are having more, filling stations. Their children are schooling abroad. If pastor is sick, the first flight out of Nigeria in a private jet. Isn't that heaven? Isn't that heaven? As hot as Nigeria is, pastors are fully air conditioned. Pastors using solar energy. The church members, the congregation, that are selling pepper, selling kinika out of the little that they have. They said that they shouldn't steal from God. They have to be paying tithe. Come and pay tithe, so it shouldn't be tithe for you. Kiniko. Pastor built his own heaven here on earth. It has been, they are pastorpreneur. It has been so commercialized that during elections, number counts. The crowd puller ones, the massive ones, that is where they take the campaign to. And they are helping the government in oppressing and subjugating the people the more. Because of they were like, instead of them to face the government and ask for their rights, they were saying it is the witches and the wizards. Enemies in your father's house, enemies. When the real enemies are the politicians, the criminal killers, that refuse to have proper policies in place. They don't have any program. They don't have no planning, nothing. And this pastorpreneurs, each one is protecting their territory. I mean, it's emancipation. Oh my God. But I know, one day, masses. Unamumu go do. The scale will fall off. You will come to your senses. This is something you gotta do yourself. Nobody's gonna do it for you. I mean, what is happening now is even glaring that even what happened during COVID, for instance, shows that religion is a scam. if they can close Saudi Arabia, what's this other place now? What's this other religious place was closed to? Does that mean that God did not exist during COVID? Of course, God existed, which shows you that he is within you. You don't need to go to any church. And to think during the COVID time, they were even doing it online, that people should still come. They said it's like the world is gonna end, and these pastorpreneurs were still after money. Ṣé God did expect? Ṣé bàbá God ń náwó ni? Àwọn sọ pé build for God. Ṣé lórí sí ọ̀pọ̀ certificate of occupancy for the kíní kan, ṣé orúkọ God náà kọ sí, àbí kì í ṣe orúkọ pásítọ̀ àtìyàwó àtàwọn ọmọ ni? Church properties and things like that. Oh my God, the masses, your mom never do. You go contribute money, build schools, schools that your children cannot attend. You will be running, walking, wearing tattered clothes, and your so-called men of God, pastorpreneur, suit up, dressed dripping in gold that what? Yeah, daddy Gio, mommy Gio, máa kúnlẹ̀ fún wọn. Tí yín máa bà yín o, ta ló wá ṣe yín báyìí? Ebi àbámẹ́ni ń bá mẹ́rin tó ṣe yín bá ti gbé ìbàlẹ̀ ọba yín bẹ̀, ẹ dákun, ẹ tún wọn lẹ̀, wá yọ kínní ìkúrò lọ́rùn, self-inflicted suffering, self-inflicted suffering. You cry more than the bereaved, àwọn ará Israẹli tí wọ́n ní ẹ̀sìn wọn gọ́sẹ̀, ṣé wọ́n ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn? Àbáwọn ará Saudi tí wọ́n ní ẹ̀sìn wọn, ṣé wọ́n ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn? Ẹ̀sìn títí yẹn gbélẹ̀. Irọ́ náà dẹ̀ ni. Irọ́ náà la bá ń dín wọ́n àti àbàtà. Èmi ò mọ̀. Iṣẹ́ bọ́dọ̀ owó. He has turned to God's secretary. He's God's secretary now. He's the minister in charge of heaven affairs. He has a new portfolio, heaven's affairs, in deciding and allocating heaven's candidates. Right. Just imagine. She's school nonsense. They are all attention seekers. Oh no, they are all attention seekers. He's the only one going to heaven. That's a good thing. Heaven kọ́, ṣé ẹ mọ̀ bóyá wà ní hẹ́ẹ̀lì, bóyá ń ròsìn fàyè heaven kọ́. Heaven ni iṣẹ́ ọwọ́ èèyàn àti ìwé èèyàn, òun ni heaven èèyàn. Kò sí heaven kankan bí kankan, òun ni heaven èèyàn. Heaven tẹ́ ń gbójú sókè, tẹ́ máa wọ̀ ọ̀run yanyan báyìí bí ẹni tí ò ní kú mọ́. Òun embolden all of you kẹ́ máa wà inhumanly to fellow human beings, all because of nǹkan tẹ́ máa jẹ, tẹ́ máa yàtọ̀ sọ́nù. So, well, congratulations to Eborowu on his new appointment as a minister in charge of heaven affairs, and as the sole decider of deceased person's acceptance or refusal into the heaven citizenship. In getting heaven citizenship, he is the officer, the minister in charge of the stamping of citizenship, of heaven citizenship. Right. Just imagine. So that's it, guys. Thanks for listening to me until I come your way again. Bye.